This SUNYIN wireless acoustic guitar pickup delivers a stable signal over roughly 100 feet, freeing you to move around the stage without dropouts or tangled cables. Its combination of magnetic sensor and built-in microphone captures both string detail and body resonance, giving a more natural and expressive acoustic tone than a simple magnetic pickup alone. Independent controls for microphone level, overall output, tone shaping, and a phase switch let you quickly dial in a clear sound and tame feedback in tricky rooms. The system can run either wirelessly or through a wired connection with the included cable, so it adapts easily to different rigs and backup scenarios. A rechargeable lithium battery provides many hours of use in wireless mode and extremely long life in wired mode, so you can play long rehearsals and sets without worrying about power. The package includes the receiver, cables, mounting hardware, and small tools, making installation straightforward for most standard acoustic guitar sound holes without permanent modification.